Kaya na, walang talo-talo cellphone.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. We would now move to call on to give the words of welcome for this afternoon's big event. Please help me welcome the Treasurer of the Association of Deans of Philippine Colleges of Nursing, Dean Mario Vigo. Distinguished guests, prominent heads of the different offices, PNA officials, they will be soon properly, ADPCN members, faculty, inductees, parents, proud parents, good afternoon. So with the ladies, I consider it an honor to be standing here before you on this very important day, the oath-taking ceremony to the successful examinees during the November 2008 Nurses Licensure Examination.